is manifested. Bored and dissatisfaction, especially dissatisfaction, if you remember I mentioned under tubercular miasm, and this tubercular miasm is manifested in calcarea phos. So dissatisfaction, once again, manifested with lack of focus, lack of motivation, and that's important. Dear friends, grief stricken. As a consequence of that, you could see they're heartbroken. They could be indifferent, and that's interesting. And that's a wonderful way of looking at Calc phos. On the background, the etiology and the manifestation are these. This is the communication. There could be lack of communication or over-communicative. Over-communicative comes from phosphorus, which I'm showing in this picture as well. Company ameliorates, we find that in Calc phos, which comes from phosphorus, and that's interesting. And this is the discontentment and stubbornness of Calc phos. The discontented aspect, as I mentioned before, which comes from the background of the grief, which comes from the background of the disappointment, and they totally get discontented. The whole life gets changed. A beautiful pulsatilla, a beautiful phosphorus change into calcarea phos, reckless, rebellious, discontented. And that's my presentation of Calc phos.